It's sundown to follow up on their reactions. But meantime, I spoke with one pro-Israel activist, a Jewish man, Ross Glick, and he's in New York. He's been visiting campuses like Columbia University, and he's been horrified by pro-Hamas rhetoric that has become so commonplace.
Jews are the canary in the coal mine. This attack on Jews, this anti-Semitism is just the beginning, right? This is a full-on attack against Western society, right? If we really listen, and I speak to some Muslim friends who privately, honestly tell me what they're saying in Arabic, this is not about land. This is not about, some peaceful coexistence. This is about the idea that there is a global caliphate, that Sharia law will dominate, that Islam will be the final solution, right? And they're utilizing these useful idiots across these campuses under the guise of activism and humanitarian goodwill and do-gooding.
New York Democratic Representatives Adriano Espaillat and Jerry Nadler are speaking out against the Trump cut, saying it is a political ploy. Nadler here states Trump's $400 million cut to Columbia sends a chilling message that universities must align with the MAGA agenda or face financial ruin. Now, Lydia, I've heard from some Jewish contacts and Israeli-American contacts since those statements were made, and this is backfiring in a big way. They believe he is the one playing partisan politics with this grave situation. Lydia?
Alana, Austin, thank you so much.